This is house wren. Did you know the male may build several nests and the female then gets to choose the one she likes? Wow. This is the sound of it. That's the sound of house wren. Okay, next. American goldfinch. Did you know male are mostly yellow when breeding in spring and are all a dull brown color in winter? This is the sound. Red-winged blackbird. Did you know one male red-winged blackbird may have more than 10 females nesting in his territory? Wow, playboy, huh? That's the sound. Killdeer. Okay. Killdeer often feign having a broken wing in order to lure predator away from their nest. Oh, he's a good predator catcher. This is sound. House finch. Here you go. Did you know a male red color is due to pigments from red fruits he eats when his feathers are growing? Oh, so whatever he likes to eat, he become that color. And this is his sound. Great horned owl. Did you know the owl's prey is often swallow whole? Bones and other things are regurgitated later. There's the owl sound. Blue jay. Did you know the blue jay's crest is flat when it is in a calm state and raised when it is excited or originated? Oh. American robin. Did you know robins vary their diet during the day, eating worms in the morning and fruits later on? Northern cardinal. Did you know the bird defends its territory fiercely and will even attack in own reflection? This is sound. Mourning dove. Did you know mourning doves store seed in a pouch in their throats called a crop and digest them later on? Song sparrow. Did you know cowbirds often lay eggs in the nest of song sparrows, who raise the chicks on their own? American crow. Did you know crows have largest brains in relation to their size of all birds except for some parrots? Enjoy watching, kids. Bye. Next time again.